In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 3 multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you purchased Call of Duty Black Ops 3 on PC or even consoles and you are trying to play it in 2024, you might have noticed that it takes a while to connect to any public matches. As of today, while the servers are still up and they work, it is going to take a while for you to connect. First, before you jump into any conclusions, I would highly suggest that you keep trying. Even though this might take up to something like 10 minutes, it is worth just letting that screen sit still, because once you get into a match, you should be able to play games back to back to back. The biggest issue is getting into a match in the first place. I don't know what is wrong with the Activision servers, but sometimes they will just sit there looking for matches endlessly. But as soon as you get in one, you should be good to go. To my knowledge, there aren't any fixes that you can actually do. I would suggest uninstalling and then installing the game again, but to my knowledge, this isn't going to fix the issue because, like I said, it is attributed to the servers, and since they are quite old, maybe they don't work as well. You can't get matched with people who have some limitations on the queues that they are searching, and if you have multiple downloadable content or DLCs active when you search, this is going to narrow down your search even more. So the only thing that I can recommend is that you lower the amount of DLC that you have active. This way you should be able to be matched up with other people who aren't queuing up with all of them active. Most people will not purchase every single DLC in the game, so if you are limiting your search window by having all of them active, it is going to take a lot longer. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 3 multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.